Alright, we're gonna do a video on the 67 F100 before it gets put on its chassis. Let y'all see all this. We just started the core support. You see, trying to do the best I can here. This thing's only a couple feet off the ground right now, so, but as you see, it's all solid. The surface rust stuff, I'm fixing the seal here in just a second. I just wanted y'all to see it beforehand. See, it literally wipes off. You can't, like, it's not. So I'm fixing to seal it here in just a minute. I gotta let y'all see it before I sealed it. See, all this stuff is just like the primer underneath. The little brown you see, it's not rust. It's just primer. It's probably not a side to a build that y'all don't get to see. See inside. These aren't just like rust repair panels. This is actual solid truck. Ooh. So you see cab corners are all good. There's not a bunch of crap on them. And then I'll do the bed later, just to let y'all see, like, even the frame is solid. And here's the chassis fixed to go up underneath it.